Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now this video is probably the first video that I'm just gonna get straight to the point. This point of the video is to show you guys how to fix, I'm not sure if I did it the best way, but I know it is one of the best ways to do it, and that is how to fix a broken tab on your bumper. I'll go ahead and show you my broken bumper. I'll go ahead and show you how it was and how I was able to fix it, and then hopefully it can help some of you guys. And if you guys want some extra content, I am also gonna be showing my sister and my girlfriend today how to drive manual. I just learned how to drive manual a couple months ago, and here I am trying to teach them. So we'll see how well that turns out. Stay at the end of the video to enjoy that content, but let me get into the repair. So here's my boosted G35, and here's the front bumper that I have for it. Now this fix is for any bumper that's made out of plastic, of course. It's not just for the G35. My bumper has these little circles. This is the wrap, don't mind that. There's a little circle where the bolt goes in, and then you bolt it on into the car, and then it stays put, right? So basically, my issue with my car is that my car's on bags, and when I bag it down, this tire is too wide, it's too big. I should probably do like 235, and then so it can like have some stretch and the tire can go in, because when I bag it down, it hits with the fender, and then it creates tension in here on the bolt, and it pretty much snapped it off. But essentially this little thing kind of snapped off, and it just became an open C, and it didn't become a circle. So now the bolt has nothing to get attached to. Don't get nervous, this is not expensive at all. I was able to pick up this plastic welder kit that you're able to pick up from Harbor Freight, or Harbor Freight, the way you say it. And this is $16.99, only $16.99, and this comes with the plastic welder. You just connect it. This gets insanely hot and it starts melting, right? It comes with plastic sticks that you can melt on top to reinforce, and then it comes with this stainless steel mesh, right? What I did is I cut a small piece of square, and I wrapped it like so, and I pretty much wrapped it around like that, basically. You're gonna grab your welder, and you're gonna pretty much press the metal stainless steel into the original plastic that exists from your bumper. Your bumper has to be plastic. You melt the metal mesh, the stainless steel mesh, into the plastic. The plastic will start to melt, become liquid, and then you let it cool off, so then the metal mesh gets integrated into the plastic bumper. It like pretty much melts into the body, right? And you let it cool off, and then it sticks onto there. Once you let it cool off and it becomes part of the bumper, that's when you go ahead and use these plastic sticks, and you start melting it on top of the metal mesh to reinforce and create the whole tab. And here's the video where you can see me doing that. All the plastic sticks, you're gonna be using it to fill the whole metal mesh and make sure that you create the tab that you want to create. I let it cool off for a whole entire day, 24 hours, and this thing is freaking sturdy. It's like it's part of the bumper. This is way stronger than how it was before with just the epoxy. I mean, this thing is like, you could pick up the whole bumper. I'm telling you, brother. Like, it's sturdy. This, I'm really, really confident. And all you gotta do is drill the hole once again, right? Right, y'all, and there you have it. The bumper is officially installed. It's fitting better than ever. That being said, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I'm gonna see if I can teach some manual skills, some basic manual skills to some of the girls, and see if we can get them to drive some manual cars in the future. So with that being said, enjoy the vlog. And then just keep on driving. That's not how you turn the wheel, my guy. Okay, third, there you go. So we're gonna try to get you to practice that, to be comfortable being in neutral. So going forward, yep. Fifth, yep. So right here, just press the clutch, put it in neutral, hit the clutch, put it in neutral, let go off the clutch, and then you're chilling. Control it with the brake, control it with the brake. Let's go ahead and do that U-turn. If you want to give it a little bit more gas, then you can put it in second gear right here. Oh god, we're not making it. Don't wait to give it gas, just give it gas as soon as you let off the clutch. There you go, that was a lot better. There you go. Okay, you see we're about to make a turn to the right. You know you're about to slow down. Just hit the brake slowly. You know. You don't gotta press the clutch yet, just press it slowly. You know he's about to come to a full stop, or he's not. Okay, so just put it down into third. Down into third. Put it in third. Yeah, there you go. Third driving, make sure. Do also your regular normal driving, like checking over your shoulder, all that stuff. I don't want that today. This right here for sure, you can leave it in neutral because you know you're going to slow down a lot. And the other one, it turned green really quick, so you could have kept it in gear and kept on going. Okay, so right now, you're going to come to a full stop, so you can start it from first because you're at a full stop. Can you do that 50-50? There you go. There you go. Let's do that second. There you go. Third. There you go. Alright guys, now we're gonna go teach girlfriend how to drive manual. And
Is that what we're doing?
yeah, right? What you gonna do, man? Come on, shawty. I go for it. You're in first. Now this is where you do the 50-50 right here. Don't get nervous. I know you're nervous. Don't get nervous, okay? Just take it easy, man. Just caress the car how you caress me, man. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. You're coming to a stop. Hit the brake. Babe, the stop sign, guy. Right, you completely missed the stop sign. A little bit slowly. There you go. Don't panic. Don't panic. Keep it there. Keep it there. There you go. Keep it there. Now you're rolling. You can release the clutch now. Now it's automatic. Just driving first. It's an automatic. Driving first. Driving first. Shift if you want. Shift it in second. There you go. Fly by the stop sign. Just slam it. Slam it. You're racing, bruh. You're racing, bruh. Let's go.